A home server is the best thing to have in your home, but biggest task of it is to maintain it. In my case, in every power outage, my home server just turns off and gets corrupted. But to maintain it, it's a very tedious task. So in this video, I'm going to make a solution for that. That when there is a power outage, my home server automatically shut down, and when power is recovered, my home server is automatically turned on. So let's get right into it. So this is my home server, and in this so here is two computer, one running Home Assistant and second running Proxmox. So here is the power button for this machine, and here is the cable which is going straight here, which is controlling my fan, lights, and this door, and this relay controls the on off function of my server. So if you see here are two plugs. These two are from inverter, and this plug is from main line. So when the electricity is coming, then this adapter will get power, and from this adapter this relay will get power. And here is the wire from the relay to ESP8266. When this relay is turned on, in Home Assistant I have configured a push button which is pressed. When that push button is pressed, then Home Assistant know that there is electricity. But when this relay disconnects from the main line and push button disconnects, Home Assistant know there is no electricity, so it have to shut it down. So I have set a automation that when there is no electricity for 30 minutes, Home Assistant will shut it down, and it also shut down this Proxmox which is integrated in Home Assistant via Proxmox integration. And when the power is recovered, that adapter will turn on. From that, power will come to this Arduino, and there is a code in the Arduino. When it get power on, in setup function, it will turn on this relay for 1 second and then turn it off. But when there is a power, this relay will always turn on, and these two lines disconnect this Arduino from the power. But when Home Assistant is turned off, this relay will also turn off, and this Arduino will get directly power from that adapter which is connected in main line. And when this Arduino will get power, it will turn on this relay for 1 second, and these two wires are directly connected to the power button of the Home Assistant, which will ultimately turn on Home Assistant. And when Home Assistant is turned on, it will detect that Proxmox is unavailable. When Proxmox is unavailable, it will turn on that Proxmox server. Again, that Proxmox server power button is also directly connected to this relay. This relay will activate it from Home Assistant using ESP8266. So that is how my whole server works, and this is how I keep my Home Assistant and whole server alive without getting it corrupted. So that's it for this video. If you get any useful information from this video, you can like to my video, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Until then, bye.